Now is the time to take control of the valve train in your company. The XDP Heavy Duty High Boost Valve Spring Set will allow you to do just that. These springs are an essential upgrade as they deliver improved valve control over the stock valve springs and increased spring pressure minimizes valve flow. Perfect for the increased boost in your truck, XDP High Boost Valve Springs can help you get the most out of your truck's upgrades. Every spring is stress tested and mapped by computer imaging to give you the best product with the most longevity. XDP valve springs are tested within 1 pound of seat pressure and come backed with a 1-year unlimited mile warranty. Each set comes with 32 performance valve springs capable of 100 pounds of seat pressure and are essential for elevated boost applications. So when you get behind the wheel, know that you have full control over every part of your vehicle. Get a set of XDP High Boost Valve Springs at xdp.com or contact your local dealer.